spinners we have. Today, me and my friend Thomas are going to have a fidget spinner trick challenge. Hi guys. The goal of this challenge is to repeat the tricks that we find on internet. The person who can do the trick gets a point. And the person who can't do the trick doesn't get a point.
The first challenge is to spin it on your toe.
Oh, we can't. No, that's so hard. No, wait, I can try.
Good job!
I did. Hey.
Good job, Thomas. Okay. You did it.
The next challenge is to spin it on your shoulder. The next challenge is to spin it on both hands.
Good. Both of you. Great job.
Next challenge is to spin it on your middle finger. For at least 5 seconds. The next challenge is to stack as many fidget spinners as you can and spin them. The person who stacks more gets a point.
Oh, 4.
Well, I did 4. I stacked 4. 4. 5. We're gonna spin 2 fidget spinners in different directions in one hand. Okay. I'm gonna choose. I choose you, Pikachu. Okay.
Wow. Those are super cool, all of them.
And now we're gonna spin 4 fidget spinners in our hands.
Thomas found out the way how to spin them. Yay. Good. You did it. Good job.
We both win! And so that's it for today. Ciao! Adios, amigos.